Hello, this is my 1992 C1500 Chevrolet, and had an interesting problem come up. I bought some of these switchback LEDs to put in my running lights / turn signals, and they won't fit. These are the original housings. I've tried 4 different bulbs from 2 manufacturers. None of them fit. However, I took these bulbs and put them in my courtesy lights under the dash. They fit and work fine. I took the bulb and I took the LED bulb that I had in my courtesy light, tried installing it here, and it did not work, having the same problem. So if I can do this one-handed, I'll show you what the problem was. And basically, it looks like this is just too long, or this little flange right here doesn't exist on a light bulb. It's just flat. And so these bulbs are able to push in farther into the slot, especially allowing you to, because you have to get both of the little nubs here to line up. You have to push it in like a little spring type and turn it. And this lip here was preventing that. So there it is, and it's all the way in. It's no way it will turn. It's just hard. It's not able to turn because it's not reached the that notch or groove in the base where those nubs have to turn. I don't know the correct terminology there. So what I ended up doing, I just grabbed the nearest cutting tool I had, which was a pair of scissors, and I worked it around the edge and just scraped off a little bit around the edge here. And I did that on this one here and got it to go in. And it wasn't a whole lot. It just scraped off a few of these little shavings. That's not, there was more than that, but I just ran a sharp edge, cutting edge around the lip right here, and the bulb was able to then recess and turn, and it worked out fine. But I don't know if the ones they're selling today or the newer vehicles have a different socket, but I did some research on the internet. I could not find anyone else having this problem. And all the part numbers are the same. So anyway, a little frustrated, but it took maybe 60 to 90 seconds to get the problem solved. I did order a second set of lights, thinking the lights were wrong. But anyway, if you're having that problem, you can solve it pretty quickly with just a sharp edge, and it doesn't really modify it. I'll also make sure the incandescent, the old bulb still fit in there. So maybe that'll help you.